Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a camera quality comparison between Huawei P20 Pro and HTC U11 Plus smartphone. So in this video we will see few images captured on Huawei P20 Pro and HTC U11 Plus side by side. On the left hand side there will be Huawei P20 Pro, and on the right hand side there will be an image captured on HTC U11 Plus. All of these images are captured on auto mode, and you will decide by yourself that which device is better when it comes to camera quality. So here we go. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.